In today's video, I will teach you how to turn your photo into a 3D style render using AI. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Photo or AI image generator. And here, you'll see two main options: text to image and image to image. Since you're working with an existing photo, you can select the image to image generator. Now click the upload button. Then choose the image that you want to transform into a 3D style render. For best results, make sure to use a clear portrait photo and make sure the face is well lit and visible, and avoid cluttered or blurry images. Now we're going to choose a style. On the left-hand panel, you'll see various AI art styles. Now scroll or click the cartoon category. Then browse the available options and select a style labeled or visually designed as 3D. These often mimic realistic 3D rendering with smooth shading, depth, and lifelike lighting. Now we're going to adjust the settings, and here you'll be able to customize the number of images and similarity. For the similarity, you can set this to 70 to 100 for strong likeness while allowing artistic transformation. And once your style and settings are ready, you can click the Generate button, and the AI will take a few seconds up to a minute to process your photo and create a 3D style render. Now we're going to review the result and download the image. To do this, hover over the image options and click the Compare button to see the transformation from the original. And when satisfied, you can click the Download button to save the image to your device. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.